Let's move on to understanding the implication of a service tax hike in the recent union budget on home prices in our expert segment. Joining me today, Abhishek Jain, Partner Tax and Regulatory Services, EY. Abhishek, thank you very much for joining me. So from 12.36, we know it's gone up to 14%.
Right.
Or is there more to it, to the story? Because there is also a Swachh tax, Swachh Bharat cess,
Yes.
right?
So two things. One, the hike from 12.36 to 14%, they have announced in the budget. It will become effective from a date to be notified after the enactment of the Finance Act.
All right.
So it's still 12.36, but that's for sure that will happen.
And does it get retrospectively applied?
No, it doesn't get
So once the notification comes out, all transactions which happen after that,
or all payments
All
that
payments.
are after that particular date will attract 14% instead of 12.36%. That's one. In addition to the hike from 12.36 to 14%, there is an additional levy of 2%, which is called the Swachh Bharat cess,
right?
which now the government has a power to levy.
Okay.
Now, what the government has still not decided, whether the 2% additional levy, which will make service tax from 14 to 16%, will be levied on all services or only select few services, and whether it would be a 2% rate or a lower rate of say 1% or whatever.
So it's just left itself a room. So let's just
Yes.
come back to this 14%.
Yeah.
Now, it is staggered, isn't it? It's a different number for houses above 1 crore and a
Yes.
lower number for houses below 1 crore.
That's right.
Yet I hear industry spokespersons saying that it's actually going to harm affordable housing in India. Is that correct?
So that's right. So the rate of service tax is 12.36% today. It will become 14 or 16% from a
Right.
date to be notified. The above 1 crore or above, or 2,000 square feet and above, the service tax is applicable on 30% of the value of the house.
All right.
So if it is 1
Which
crore,
is your construction cost, it's taken as
correct. So if
construction
the
cost.
total value is 1 crore, the taxable value out of that 1 crore is 30%, 30 lakhs. 70% is abated on account of goods that are involved and the value of the immovable property.
Right.
Whereas if it is below a crore and it is less than 2,000 square feet, then the taxable value is 25% instead of 30%.
All right.
So, I mean, apart from this distinction, the rate of service tax, of course, will go up from 12.36 to 14 or 16 for both these segments.
So why is it said that it will harm affordable housing more than it will harm, or the burden will be more on affordable housing, and or I wouldn't even call below 1 crore affordable, frankly,
right.
but projects which are below, or homes which are below 1 crore would
Right.
probably have a heavier burden on them?
No,
That's
not
correct,
exactly.
right?
No.
Okay. So,
But it's just the general hike in service tax rate. If it's 16% from the current 12.36, it's almost a 25% jump in the service tax cost.
all right.
Yeah.
So is it so when developers send construction linked plans, with every bill there is not a service tax, but at some point they just ask you for a service tax.
Right.
How does a home buyer really get that calculated, or say this is a fair amount?
So, I mean, before a few years, there was no service tax on construction services. At that point in time, the builders, when they used to send the invoice, there was no service tax. But
That was
after
VAT.
that,
I remember Karnataka imposed some VAT.
oh well,
That was
that
huge.
finally got settled by a constitutional bench judgment of the Supreme Court in the case of L&T, where they said that if you are buying an under construction property, then even VAT would apply.
Okay.
But at least in the NCR region, the builders have still not charging VAT. They were
VAT.
still
So it's
charging
only
only
service
service
tax.
tax.
Fair
And
enough.
many state governments are because it's a state subject, it has to be dealt for each state separately. Many state governments are also coming up with composition scheme, where instead of paying the actual VAT, you can pay say 1% on the entire cost of the property that you have purchased.
Okay. So here the service tax will, in a construction linked plan, when can it hit the buyer?
It will hit the buyer. Currently, it is hitting the buyer with 12.36%. Of course, after factoring the abatement. After the notified date, it could be a 14% or a 16% hit. And after factoring the abatement of 30%.
What I meant was, at what time can he expect that service tax bill to come to him?
Okay, the increased service tax rate?
Just regular service tax. So today if I were to buy a house,
yeah.
I have 10% to pay, then I'm asked, okay, after a certain floor, I have to pay
Right.
a certain amount.
Correct.
When do I get to, when I charge the service tax particularly?
So typically
Is there a rule for
the developers would charge service tax when you send this invoice for a milestone basis or construction linked plan as it's typically called. When they will send the invoice for each construction linked invoice that you will get as a customer, on each invoice there will be a service tax
There will
element.
be.
Yeah.
All right. So there will be after the 70% abatement on the 30% value, there will be
Correct.
a
So for
service
each
tax.
installment payment, that invoice that they send you, they will factor the abatement, whether it is 70% or 75%. After whatever is the value left, they will charge a service tax rate which is applicable on that particular
And there are
date.
no gray areas there. The developers follow that completely
Yes,
by
no,
the
no
principle.
gray areas.
No gray areas.
The gray area is not on the construction linked plan. There is a little bit of a gray area or non-clarity if you come to other miscellaneous charges, which could be your car parking space or club
Of course.
membership and all.
Those we've
Yes.
discussed time
Yes.
and again,
Right.
Abhishek, and they aren't going anywhere. Thank you
Correct.
very much for helping
Thank
us
you.
understand that. So that's a big relief to us that the service tax notification still has to come. So that will get applicable to you only once it's notified, not before that, and you've got clarity on how much will it go up by.